Welcome to cpapmachines.ca. Today I'll be introducing to you the new P30 nasal pillow mask. The P30i is the latest addition to the AirFit line from ResMed. This mask has been so popular on our website that many of you have requested us to do a video on it. This mask comes in two sizes, the small and the standard frame. The small frame is commonly for female users, whereas the standard frame is made to fit most male users. As you can see, the standard frame comes in the small, medium, and large nasal cushions, whereas the small size only comes in the small and medium nasal cushions. So let's open the package up and see what's inside. When you open the mask, you'll see the complete mask inside the package. You'll see the actual mask with the frame, the quick release button on the top, the headgear, and it comes with a Velcro strap for simple and easy adjustment. Change the cushion. Simply attach the right size here. To find the most comfortable fit. The major difference between the P30i and the N30i, which I have here on your left, its nasal cushions. As you can see, the P30 comes with the traditional nasal prongs that goes inside your nostrils. N30i cushions provides a flat surface area for you to rest your nose on top. The benefit of having the actual nasal prongs is that it provides increased stability when you are asleep, so that the mask would stay in place throughout the whole night. An additional new feature on the P30i is the expiratory filter located in the front of the mask. This filter will minimize the amount of exhalation noises if you compare the N30 with the P30i. You can see on the N30i it's just holes on the front, whereas there's an actual filter on the P30i. And this is the brand new ResMed AirFit P30i nasal pillow mask. It is now available on our website. Visit cpapmachines.ca.